I came from Oregon and I had a little bit of college experience, and then I had the school I was going to had shut down and I kind of lost all of my credits. I started working at a coffee shop downtown. Mark and all of the TVA people, you know, they really help the downtown businesses. So they would go into a coffee shop that I was working at. He found out my story and he encouraged me, if you go back to school, you know, I can hire you as an intern and stuff. And he was like, I think you're really gonna like it. You're hardworking, you're driven. I can see you've got the passion for it, so.
She moved into the area, had some previous background in engineering, but had not completed a degree and had gotten interested in power systems. And I was lucky enough to have her come into the program.
So I was always interested in how things worked. I never knew it was engineering at the time. So when I was younger, I would take apart lamps, toasters, the washing machine.
And so over 2, 3, 4 years, the thought is Angelina would come in and learn the people, learn the ropes, learn the procedures, and when she graduates, hopefully, will want to work in TVA Nuclear, and then she'll be able to just immediately start working and be productive. In this case, that's exactly what happened. She was able to get a job and work at TVA.
One thing that I really liked about UTC is the fact that as a student who comes and teaches you in classes is someone who's already know the job, who can tell you what to expect in the field. So I wanted to be that person for the coming generation and be like, hey, I'm doing this day to day.
Not a stranger to what I talk about in my class to my students. I know the equipment, I know what the software, all the inner workings of the power systems, the power system and smart grid focus. That was always our thing, because not least because of the environment and the industry, because of TVA, EPB, and all the service industry that caters to the power system industry.
Over the last 10 to 12 years, there's been some tremendous advancements in communication technology, everything from switches on poles to the meters on everybody's home that we can now monitor and see exactly what the voltage and the load is on all these devices.
My main job is to advise our operators on protection issues. So I do this every day.
It's not as far-fetched or out of your scope of path in your normal day than you might think. So with like an electrical power system engineer, like this morning when you went on turned on your lights to get ready, like there's a chain. It starts at generation and then goes to transmission and then goes to distribution and then hits your home. It's like I'm always learning.
If you want a really good college experience, you want to get great knowledge and the field experience, the access that you have to the companies around you, then go for it. And if you want professors that really care about you and care about your success, then yeah, UTC. I'd recommend it because of so many things. I mean, the professors, the community around UTC, the students themselves, the size, it's not too big, it's not too small.